Hi everyone, we are solving another question from section C of CMA USA Part 1 course. Let's get into the question. A major disadvantage of a static budget is that it is more difficult to develop than a flexible budget. It is made for only one level of activity. Variances tend to be smaller than when flexible budgeting is used. Variances are more difficult to compute than when flexible budgeting is used. So let's get into the question on how to solve this. This static budget, which means it's a stagnant. If you have created that budget once, it's an end. Either you should achieve it, or at the end of the year you should tell I haven't achieved it, and you should compare with the actual budget which you have achieved. Got it? That is what we call it as a static budget. So if we see the options, what is the disadvantage of static budget is what they are asking. First option, it is more difficult to develop than a flexible budget. Okay, so they are telling to develop static budget is more difficult. Actually not. Static budget will be created at once only in the starting. Okay, it will be an end. But if you take a flexible budget, the flexible budget will be created for different level of units sold or different levels of activities as per the situation. Got it? So according to me, flexible budget will take more time. Okay, will take more time, and it is more difficult to develop than static budget. Static budget is a one time process and it's not that difficult to do. Got it? Next, it is made for only one level of activity. Yes, static budget is made for only one level of activity. That is correct. And next, variances tend to be smaller than when flexible budgeting is used. Variances, which means you are going to compare this static budget with a flexible budget or actual budget, right? At that time, variances are going to be smaller than with the flexible budgeting. No, variances are going to be higher. Remember, variances are going to be higher than with the flexible budgeting is used. Got it? Next, variances are more difficult to compute than when flexible budgeting is used. Variances are more difficult to compute. This is totally illogical. I'll tell you why. See, when they are speaking about variances, what you should do is you should compare that with something, right? In this case, you have a static budget. You should compare this one with actual budget. Or you have a static budget, you should compare this one with flexible budget, right? So in any of the situation, you are going to put the same amount of efforts which you need to put to find out the variances. That's why this is totally illogical that static budget will be more difficult to compute, flexible budgeting will be more difficult to compute. No, there will be no way that for both the things to find out, for both the variances to find out, it will take a same amount of time. Got it? I hope you have understood this question. If you have liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and make sure that you keep studying every day, which makes you more consistent, which will help you to pass your exam very soon, and stay connected, stay committed.